Hey guys, it's Nick, and I just saw the news that Trump has coronavirus and Melania has it as well. And so what does this mean for the stock market? Well, I just took a look at the stock market just now, and NASDAQ futures are down about 2% right now. S&P futures are down about 1.7%, about like 56 points, something like that. And Dow futures are down about the same, 1.6, 1.7%, or about 450 points, something like that. So what does this mean for the stock market tomorrow and going forward? For one, I think that there's not a lot going on right now in the market, so this news, obviously the first reaction is down. I think that by the time the morning comes and the market's open and people read the news and whatever, there may be a quick down move at the open, but after that I think it's going to probably bounce back up to where it would have been anyway. I don't know if the markets are adding to that they haven't passed the second stimulus bill yet or whatever to add to this news, but just the Trump news itself I don't think warrants a big sell-off in the market. Now, if he got really sick and he died or something like that, then yeah, that's a different story. And going forward, this may change his odds of winning, because if he's laid up for 2 weeks, the election's in 1 month, if he's laid up for 2 weeks or has a lighter schedule or can't travel as much or whatever, can't shake hands obviously with people or something like that, it definitely could change his odds of winning. And so that may change people's perception of what's going to happen to the stock market if he doesn't win and Joe Biden wins, because before this, people had a set idea of who's going to win and what it's going to mean for the market. Now the odds have changed a little bit. Like I said, I don't think this is a big deal. The president of Brazil already had it, Bolsonaro. The PM of the UK, Boris Johnson, already had coronavirus, and he did get a little bit sick from it. But if you look at the CDC stats, that people 70 years and older who get coronavirus have a 5% death rate. And now that includes people that are 80, people that are 90, people that have diabetes or health problems or cancer or something like that. So, if you're the president, you got the best health care. He's not in the greatest condition. He's a little overweight, but he's not in the worst condition either. He doesn't have diabetes or cancer or nothing. So I expect that the worst is that he's going to have to lighten up on his campaign schedule or something like that. And so I think the market is going to shrug this off pretty quickly unless news starts coming out that he's getting worse or something like that. But for now, I think the knee-jerk reaction is probably going to reverse in the market tomorrow. So trade accordingly, guys.